Hello everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It's been another extremely hot day across South Africa as an upper air high pressure system remains in place, firmly positioned over the country, keeping things very clear and dry and also warming the air across the region. A couple of thunder showers have developed this afternoon around Lesotho and into the Eastern Cape. Small thunderstorms within this area which will be continuing into the first half of this evening. And this is indicated on our synoptic analysis. There we see the precipitation over the mountainous areas that will start clearing out later on. It will remain partly cloudy onto the high velds. That will trap in some of the daytime heat, so a very warm night lies ahead once again, and we'll see fog developing along the western coastline. Cloud cover will push in along the south coast, but it should remain dry over those areas. Heading into tomorrow, and it will be partly cloudy once again for the high velds. There will be a possibility for thunder showers over some parts of the Eastern Cape and also into KZN, especially for the west of that province. Temperatures will be by a couple of degrees higher for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, so even hotter over those areas, while it remains extremely hot further westwards. A cold front will be approaching that will only make landfall on Wednesday night in the Western Cape. For this evening, just a 20% chance for thunder showers in a narrow band extending towards Kimberley and Bloemfontein, but there we see a 40% chance for thunder showers over some parts of the Eastern Cape and around Lesotho. Could see a couple of storms drifting closer to the Eastern Cape coastline, but the chances for that are very slim. Durban this evening is going to be dry. We are expecting it to remain very warm and humid. Temperatures in the upper 20s, not quite as hot as the rest of the country though. We are expecting gusty northeasterly winds to remain in place as well, but those will start dying down overnight. Looking at the rest of South Africa for this evening, and it's going to be exceptionally warm, especially for the central and western interior, where temperatures will be well above 20 degrees for tomorrow morning. Somewhat cooler further northwards and along the Mpumalanga Highveld areas once again, and it will also be cooling down by a couple of degrees for some parts of the Western Cape interior. Tomorrow afternoon will be extremely hot for much of the country, once again into the 40s for parts of the Free State, the Northwest and the Northern Cape, and we'll also see temperatures reaching the low 40s for the Southern Karoo. A very hot day for Northern KwaZulu-Natal with temperatures well into the upper 30s and low 40s as well, and temperatures rising in Gauteng, Johannesburg. You can expect a high of 35 degrees. On Thursday, temperatures will be even higher than that in the northern parts of South Africa. 41 as a maximum for Pretoria. This will be a record-breaking day for some parts of the northern interior. And by Friday, cooler and wet conditions will be spreading into the eastern parts, especially in KZN, and temperatures will also be a couple of degrees cooler in the Northern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.